a feature that we take for granted many times, and we might use it or not use it as much. I'm talking about the toolbar at the top of our menu in our system, SAP Business One. Most users I know use some of these icons, but not all of them. We are working on a blog post, and it will be available very soon in our website, Monday or Tuesday next week, where we're sharing the full functionality of this toolbar. And you know that it is very extensive, and you might be using this one, for instance, which allows you to preview a document before printing it. This one you can use to print the document, to send it by email, SMS, if you have that feature in your system, or by fax. You can export documents to either Excel, Word, or a PDF file. This one, if you have other applications that you want to launch from SAP, this will be colored. This one is used to send to start other applications. This one, we shared it very recently. It's a very quick way of locking your screen if you need to leave your seat. These two, I'm guessing, are probably two of the most used icons on the toolbar. You know that when you're working with a document, if you're using the binoculars, you're looking for a document. So your function is to find a document. If you have this document with a plus sign, you're creating a new document. These arrows help you navigate to the next record, the last record, the first of all, the previous one. This icon is used to refresh your document. These two that right now are great because I'm not in a list. I'm not showing a list of items or documents or records. These you can use to filter or to sort. These two, the next two, are used to take you to the let's click on this AR invoice, for instance. If we click here, it'll take us to the target document related with this invoice. If you click here, it'll take us to the base document. So it's a quick way of, you probably use the relationship map. It's one of our users' favorite. This is a quick way to go to the target document or the base document. It could be a sales order, and the target document could be a payment or a cancellation if the invoice was canceled, etc. Here are some very interesting icons for the finance information. So this icon helps you estimate the gross profit for the document you're working with, the payment means, the volume and weight calculation. It's right here. The transaction journal that the document created. And if you're still working on a document that you haven't added yet, you can look at the journal entry preview that this document will create in case it's added. So very useful right there as well. Here you can work with the layout designer, the form settings that we showed yesterday on our SAP Business One tip. This is a query manager. We'll go to that a little later. And you can also visit a webinar that we had on reports and queries, and it's available on our website. It's on demand. These icons here are used for live collaboration, if you use that feature. Here you have an overview of the work list messages. This is a messages or alerts overview as well. You have a calendar right here for your activities and tasks. This is the default branch selection icon. Here you can customize your personal settings, and we've already seen some of the features that are included once you click on this icon. And here you have available to promise, delivery schedule management, cash flow forecast, pervasive analytics, and context help and online help is right here. What I wanted to, each one of these icons, it's gonna take you to a whole new world, and you're probably using some of those features, maybe using a different route to get there. But the interesting thing that the tip that I wanted to share with you today is that if you click here on the empty space on your toolbar and you click on your right click there, you're going to see all these options. So these are basically 7 icon groups on your toolbar. And this check mark, what it allows you is for you to see all of them, and that's how this one is configured right now. But you might prefer not to see the print layout designer because you hardly ever use it. And you see now we have less icons here. Let's say that you don't want to see tools either, and you never use the view, for instance, and you see this is showing less icons on your toolbar. So this is an option if you really don't use as much, but the ones you use, you prefer to have a clearer toolbar, you can customize it. You will see the groups on our blog post that I already mentioned. And that way you will be able to choose which icon groups you want to show on your toolbar. Another option, of course, is to have them all there and get used to them and use the ones you need. If you're not bothered by having too many icons here, it's just an option that you have to customize your toolbar. Thank you very much for being here. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us. You know where to reach us. My name is Clara Custodio. I lead customer experience here at Consensus, and I'm ready to help you with any question or concern you have regarding your system or anything else. So please send us an email or give us a call, and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you very much for joining us today.